Welcome students of class 9B. In this period of mathematics, we are solving factorization chapter 4, exercise 4.1, question number 2, Roman number 1. The expression is 3ax square minus 5bx square plus 9az square plus 6ay square minus 10by square minus 15bz square. So at first we have to make the group to take the common terms. These two terms I wrote together. Then this 6a square y, 6ay square minus 10by square I wrote together, 9az square minus 15bz square I wrote together. Now you can ask question, why will you write together in this way? From here what can you take common? You can take common x square. So what is left? 3a minus 5b I wrote. And what will you take common from here? So again 3a minus 5b will be left. So that is 2y square. So at this place 3a will come, minus at this place 5b will come. Similarly, I wrote this together because if you take 3z square common, then what is left? 3a minus 5b. So what are you saying? In all these terms we have 3a minus 5b common terms. So I wrote it as a common term, and what is left? I wrote those in bracket, x square plus 2y square plus 3z square. In question number 2k, the expression is 2a plus b, 3c minus d, 2a plus b whole cube plus 2a plus b whole square into 3c minus d. I enclosed in bracket. Now, question is, why will we enclose in bracket? To make the like terms. Here is 2a plus b, so this should also be 2a plus b in bracket. Here is 3c minus d, so this should also be in bracket 3c minus d. I erase that. I wrote these two in bracket. In the second step, I made the group like terms, like terms. Here is 2a plus b whole cube. These two became the like terms. Means 3c minus d plus 2a plus b whole square 3c minus d. These two, because 3c minus d is coming here, 3c minus d is coming here. So I made the group of these expressions. Now from here we can take 2a plus b, means least power of the term will take as common. Here is power 1, here is power 3, so least power is 1, so 2a plus b became common. Bracket starts, at this place 1 is left, this plus came here, and 1 2a plus b is taken out, so 2a plus b whole square is left. If you multiply, then you will get again back this expression, 2a plus b into 1 equal to 2a plus b, plus came here, 2a plus b into 2a plus b whole square equal to 2a plus b whole cube, because in multiplication powers are added. Here is 2 and here is 1, so 2 plus 1 3. Similarly, in these two terms we have possibility to take 3c minus d as common, because 3c minus d has the least power. Here is also least power, and this is common in both the terms. 3c minus d is common in both the terms, so I took 3c minus d as common, and I started middle bracket. At this place 1 is left, this plus came here, 2a plus b whole square, middle bracket closed. Now what are we saying? This is common term, 1 plus 2a plus b whole square, 1 plus 2a plus b whole square. So I wrote 1 plus 2a plus b whole square into this 2a plus b plus this 3c minus d. In the book this is the answer, and in this part these brackets are omitted, but here is possibility to break this in the form of a plus b whole square. So 1a square means 2a whole square is 4a square plus 2ab, 2 into 2a plus b 4ab plus b square means b square, and this side I omitted the bracket. Without bracket I wrote 2a plus b plus 3c minus d. This became the answer. In question 2m, expression is p square x square plus px square plus 1 into x plus p. I made the group of these two terms p square x square plus p and I enclosed in bracket, and this term I wrote here px square plus 1 into x. So what will we take common? That inside the bracket px square plus 1 will be left. From here we have possibility to take common as p. So I took common p here, px square is left and here 1 is left. And this side is already px square plus 1 into x. So in these two terms, what are we seeing? Px square plus 1, px square plus 1 became common. I took common px square plus 1 into p plus x. I enclosed in bracket. This became the answer. In question number 2o, expression is p square plus 1 by p square minus 2 minus 5p plus 1 by plus 5 by p. So this much expression, this part of the expression I wrote in this way: p square plus 1 by p square 1 by p square, and this minus 2 I wrote in this way, 2 into p into 1 by p, because this p cancelled, again we are getting back minus 2. And from these two terms I have taken common as minus 5. So here p is left, I wrote in bracket, and now minus will come here because minus minus plus. So minus will come and this 5 is here, so 1 by p is left. This is in the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab. So I wrote a minus b whole square minus, this is same, 5 into p minus 1 by p. So here is p minus 1 by p, here is also p minus 1 by p, so p minus 1 by p is common. So here what is left? P minus 1 by p is left, because these two you will multiply, so you will get back p minus 1 by p whole square. And here this p minus 1 by p came common, so minus 5 is left. So this p minus 1 by p into, I omitted the bracket and I wrote p minus 1 by p minus 5. This is the answer. In question number 2q, 1 by 25x square plus 16x square plus 8 by 5 minus 12x minus 3 by 5x. We can write 1 by 25x square as 1 by 5x whole square, because 5x into 5x, 25x square. This we can write as 4x whole square. So this is a, this is b. At this place we have written 2ab, 2 into a into b. So if we simplify it, you will get 8 by 5. Let us see, x cancelled, 2 4s are 8 by 5. So we can write this in the form of this. Why will write in this form? Because we are getting now a square plus b square plus 2ab, that is a plus b whole square. And here from these two terms I have taken minus 3 common, so here at this place 1 by 5x is left, and plus will come because minus plus minus, and 3 is common, so 1 by 5, this I wrote at first because here 1 by 5x is coming at first, so this I wrote at first 1 by 5x plus minus plus minus, so it will come here plus, and 3 is out of the bracket, so inside the bracket 4x will be written. Now this expression became a square plus b square plus 2ab, so I wrote a plus b whole square, means 1 by 5x plus 4x whole square minus 3, 1 by 5x plus 4x. So what is 1 by 5x plus 4x? 1 by 5x plus 4x is common, so I took it common. Now at this place 1 by 5x plus 4x is left, because if you multiply these two terms, again you will get back 1 by 5x plus 4x whole square, and this came out, so inside the bracket minus 3 is left. Now in last step I omitted this bracket and I wrote 1 by 5x plus 4x into 1 by 5x plus 4x minus 3. This became the answer. Last question of this exercise, expression is 2p into a square minus 2b square minus 14p plus a square minus 2b square whole square minus 7 into a square minus 2b square. So in these three terms, a square minus 2b square is common. So for that I wrote, let a square minus 2b square be q. Means I abbreviated the equation. considering a square minus 2b square bq. Now the given expression will be 2pq because a square minus 2b square equal to q. So 2pq minus 14p plus this is q square minus this is q 7q. Now I made the group. This q square plus 2pq I wrote together, minus 7q minus 14p I wrote together. From this I took q common. Here q is left plus 2p is left. From these two I took minus 7 common. So here q is left, here plus will come now because minus plus minus, so plus will come, and here as 7 went out, so 2p is left. So what are you saying? Q plus 2p and q plus 2p is common. I wrote here. What is left? Q minus 7 is left. Now here I wrote the value of q. Q was a square minus 2b square. So at this place I wrote a square minus 2b square. Here is minus 7, so I also wrote minus 7. Similarly, here at this place I wrote a square minus 2b square plus 2p plus 2p. This became the answer.